In this video, I will show you how to make Squarespace website multilingual. So the first step is to go to your settings and then simply go to site languages, then scroll down and click on connect under Wiglot, which is completely free. This will help us make our website multilingual, so simply connect this app to your website. So here you're gonna have to simply enter your email address and then simply create a password, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply choose the destination languages. So as you can see, the original language is English, and then I'm gonna add another language, then click on save. Now if you want, you can add multiple languages, as you can see, and basically after that click on save, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.